ओम श्री साई राम। गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे, हे गोपी गोप बाला। गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे, हे मुरली गान लोला। गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे, हे राधा रमण लोला। गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे, हे नंद गोप बाला। गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे, हे गोपी गोप बाला। ओम श्री साई राम। If I recollect my first interview, 9th of January 1976, I believe, yeah, after 50th birthday, yes. Swami assured me of his own will without me praying for anything for that matter. There was no thought, no prayer in my mind except that I wanted to enjoy the joy of having speaking with him for 1 minute. I requested that to Swami in my mind and in my letter, which he said there is no need to give the letter once you know that I know everything. Because I had mentioned in that letter, the very first opening sentence, that Swami, I know that you know everything. Swami reacts to our every word, every thought. In that interview, 1 minute interview, exactly 1 minute, what I prayed for in my mind. After giving me that positive introduction to my own self, the higher self, my true self, बहुत कोमल निर्मल हृदय, very compassionate, very soft heart. Even I did not know that I had such beautiful heart and soul. Swami introduced me to myself in a way. The next sentence was that तुम बहुत सोचता है इसलिए तुमको बहुत हेडेक होता है. You think too much so you get headaches. आज के बाद तुम कुछ नहीं सोचेगा. From today you will not worry or think about anything. Leave everything at my lotus feet. I will take care. This was unconditional, unasked for. I didn't ask for. Greatest blessing that any person could have in the very first encounter. Who can do like that except the Supreme Lord Himself with that cosmic authority? That from today you will not think or worry about anything, I will take care. Just leave everything at my lotus feet. This is pure, unconditional, non-judgmental love, the divine love, the selfless love, the purest love ever. So this was 1976. Again after, I think 4 years, 1979, we have another group interview. In between I had other interviews, but this was a group interview relevant to this topic. Brigadier Suresh Bali, me and some group from Mumbai Ulhasnagar were there. In that group interview, Swami elaborated the real meaning of Gayatri Mantra, how to chant Gayatri Mantra, when to chant Gayatri Mantra. He said any time, any place, Don't worry about ritualism. And after the group interview was over, everybody was giving their personal letters to Swami. I had one personal confidential thing to share with Swami about my family business. So I wanted to avoid talking it loudly because my own people, colleagues were there in the group interview. So I just went on my knees to Swami's chair and actually, what to say, yeah, I don't know, he gave me that guts, a childlike, innocent. I lifted the divine hair from his divine ear to whisper into his ear that Swami, there is some family business problems. Just half a sentence. And Swami responds by lifting my curly hair from my ear, telling me, whispering me into my ear, you do my work, I will take care of your work. Now, why do I repeat these two interviews? A thought came to me in the first interview. Swami is taking the entire responsibility. You don't worry. You will not, he commanded, you will not think or worry about anything from today. Leave everything at my lotus feet. I will take care. In the second interview, the Lord says, you do my work, I will take care of your work. First of all, let me analyze it with our human mind, common sense. Swami did not say, if you do my work, then I will take care of your work. He just brought out the fact that when you are engaged in doing my work, be sure that I will take care of your work. You need not bother about that. That is the inner meaning. We'll talk on this in our next talk. Thank you, Sai Ram.